Now, it's been a very interesting week. Here's the Intense 5. Football is back on air. I'm sure the sport fanatics are happy. It's so weird to see the empty stands though, even though they're trying some computer-generated crowd graphics for those at home. Okay.
Dream Weekend cancelled. The team announced their decision early this week. Now, they still have a no refund policy. Instead, they're saying that tickets bought will be valid next year. I wonder what's going to happen with Carnival.
Yes, we'll have to see.
Oh, Jaja.
Buju Banton's daughter, Abby Hale, has gone viral with her pics done for the Vogue Challenge. The images have been posted on Teen Vogue, Vogue US, Vogue Australia, just to name a few.
Wow.
The pics them though, bad.
Yeah, man.
And big up Wade Roden who took the pictures as well.
Man, love it! Bounty wasn't going to let COVID stop his birthday celebrations, and it looks like he had a blast. Love to see Bounty smiling. Happy belated birthday, Grand God!
And finally holding the spot this week, top Jamaican choreographer Lantonette Steins isn't going to just sit back and let power couple Jay-Z and Beyonce use her voice on the song Black Effect without compensation. So she's suing them. Of course, we'll keep you posted on this. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.